Social media hashtags, they're a bit of an enigma, aren't they? Hi everyone, this is Chris from Melotti Media, and social media tags make such a big difference to all of our posts across so many different social media channels today. But how do we use them and how do they work? Well, everyone knows sort of how they work today, and we know that it's an indexing system, but rules change and everyone has a different opinion on them. So I'm just going to give you what works for me. So at Melotti Media, what we do is we choose around 6 to 8 hashtags, and we pick between really popular hashtags and unpopular hashtags that but always still relate to the post. So there's never anything that's not relatable, because we want our content to be indexing for the right pieces of content and the right trends. But we use popular so that they get in that popular sort of thread, and not so popular so that they hang around for longer. And also, I always try and put hashtag Melotti Media in it. So how do you do hashtags? I'd love to know how you approach it. Thanks everyone.